Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to another episode of the LowriderCulture. Our guest today, like, I don't have words to describe. Man, this car is beautiful. Alright, please tell us your name.
Gerardo Lopez. Everybody calls me Gerry.
Gerry? Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
so we can say Gerry Lopez.
Okay. Alright, Gerry. Please tell us the name of your car club.
True Familia, Harbor area.
How long have you been a member?
Well, it's going on 2 years.
Alright. And what do you have to do to become a member?
Just be a family, you know, and bring in beautiful vehicles like what we have behind me, and just enjoy it.
Alright, what got you into the LowriderCulture?
Back in the early 70s, when we were growing up in Nevada, we seen older homies that had beautiful vehicles on themselves. You know, they would bring them by the street, and that really caught my eye in getting actually something better than just hanging out on the street doing nothing. The older Arturo stated that, you know what, hey guys, instead of you guys doing nothing, put all your effort into this. You guys want girls? This gets you girls. You know, this will get you girls. And you guys just want to hang around being pendejos. This gets you girls. And then you know what? It really did. You know, it caught our eye.
All right. What does the LowriderCulture mean to you?
What it means to me, it's family, and getting together with everybody that wants to participate in your culture. You know, the Chicano culture it's big. We're worldwide. You know, everybody wants to be us, and this is who we are. And this is what shows us how important it is to us to be in the lowrider scene. Going to Whittier, going to Hollywood, that right there, just it's a feeling nobody could ever explain. That's what brought me into it, you know. And girls, don't get me wrong. Hanging out with the homeboys, you know.
That was the main reason.
Yeah, you know, it was beautiful.
All right, I know I haven't asked you about your car yet, because I know this car is very, very special to you.
Yes, it is.
All right, please tell us about your car.
This is a 1956 two-door hardtop Chevy Bel Air. I bought this vehicle years back. It was actually a prop car for KRS 101, and I saw it and I was very interested in it because it brought back the memories of when I first started driving. I drove this year of car. My brother had it back in 1977, exact same colors, and so it was an obsession for me to go back and say, hey, I got to get this car back. And I did, and it was very hard. It was like emotional for me when I got it back and I started putting hands on it. And my older brother never knew about it for a while until I brought him one day. When I was putting the bags on it, he goes, "Where are we going?" I said, "Oh, I'm just going to put a deposit on some bags on one of my cars." He goes, "Oh, all right, I'll go with you." So he came with me, and he got out and he looked at the car. And he started crying. He's like, "Wow, dude, what is this?" He goes, "That's your car, bro." He goes, "Man, it was something that, because our older homies put so much into us and say, hey, you know what? It brought back a lot of memories, you know. And this is what it ended up. All my heart, all my, you know, just working hard for this. This is what it became. You know, and if anybody ever knows about lowriding, this is a passion that nobody can take from us. I mean, it's just heartwarming, man.
That's right. You know what? You mentioned that I'm the first one shooting this car.
Yes.
And it's a it's an honor. Thank you so much for the opportunity. It's amazing.
Yeah, this car's never been on the street, and you're the first one to shoot this car, and
And that's so cool.
it's beautiful. I just want to thank you for giving us the opportunity to show my car and let people know that this is what it is if you put everything into it, regardless. I know your wives get mad, your girlfriend gets mad because they're like, man, you're just worrying about that damn car. What about me? Well, I already got the girl.
That's right.
So this, and I'll give you this. This will never break up with you. This will never give you any heartaches, but it will take you to go to your favorite eatery. It will take you to go get a new girlfriend.
A new girlfriend.
It'll take you to do anything. It'll never say no.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, let's do a walk around and we can talk about more about your car.
Okay.
All right, please tell us what do we have going on in the front?
This front has the complete wraparound set. I did complete re-chroming of the front end. All the stainless steel has been redone. I have the 14x7 straight lace big hubs. I want it back into the early 80s style. I have put the black and black interior because that represents back in the 70s. And I wanted to keep it the same, almost the same way that my brother had when he had it back in the 70s. So it gave him something inside, some memory of what we did. And everything, I put airbags, front and back, side to side. Everything underneath is brand new. Every part of this car has, I restored it completely to where it's at now. And it's a beautiful, beautiful car. Yes. And I have no words for it. That much.
So I see you got the skirts in the back.
Yeah, I really don't like skirts, but but I put them on.
You put them on.
Yeah, and but I have a sun visor I like. I have a shortened steering wheel.
What are some of the really hard pieces to get for your car?
The hardest pieces to get for this car is well, I can't say that anymore. Back in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, yeah, there was a lot of hard pieces. Now you can buy completely, this whole car you can buy completely. So the hardest parts is just putting back in.
All right. So you did the whole interior?
Yes.
So everything's brand new?
Yeah, everything's brand new. It's got black leather interior. Everything that on this car, I had it all, the stainless redone, all the side moldings redone. It's all original steel, everything. So it's what you see. I even left just because I wanted to leave the 1956 symbol on this car. I want to show you, come this way real quick. I left the front windshield original only because it had this little placard, vehicle inspection, back in 1975. And these wing windows. I left these wing windows alone because I gave it just that little patina look. To say if somebody tells me, hey, why didn't you do these? Because this is original chrome from back in 1956. That's just the little things that I just gave somebody to, it's just a question on why did you do that? It's the only reason why. It's because I still want something from 1956 on this.
All right, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Can we talk about the engine, please?
The engine's the original 263. I didn't change anything on it. I left it all original. All matching numbers. And I just put some Flowmasters on it, so it gives it a more cleaner sound because of the V8 instead of because the 54 and below they had the little 6-cylinders, and you can hear the wrapping of the pipes. Well, this one is more like a little muscle car because these are the Tri-Fi eras. This is when Chevy actually went into the V8 engines. So this is what they call the tri-fi, instead of like the 54 and below. They call them bombs.
Oh, okay.
These are tri-fis.
All right.
But that's why it's beautiful. I come from a lowrider family. I've had all kinds of cars. I'm still sitting on a 65 convertible at home, completely done. I had a 50 Chevy. I had a 67 convertible. I had a 78 Ford LTD, 76 Ford LTD, 75 convertible, glass house. You know, I love low riding, and it's a passion that nobody can take. Nobody.
That's right.
And it's something that I breathe and it's in my veins. And I wish everybody can have that passion, because you know what? This is a representative of us as a Chicano heritage. When we sit here and we can come together with no borders. We can sit down and just talk about things. We talk about cars. Hey man, you know, you have this or you have that. Didn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody says, oh, this other matter. Chicanos. We're all together, man. Let's all stick together. Harbor area, everybody. We should all be together. When we get into these meets, no politicals, just straight familias. That's why true familia is what we felt about. Because you know what? There's nothing else but family. Everybody talks about, oh yeah, but everybody knows that when they get together, that's family. So what we said, we're true familia. That's how we are. And it's what we're going to breathe and live for every day.
All right. Can we talk about your airbag system?
The airbag system was done by Sandoval Suspensions out in East LA. He completely redid the suspension. He one-linked it in the back. He removed all my original suspension and put everything brand new, modified it. There was no prefab. Everything was done strictly by them. Every link, every nut and bolt was done especially from it. I was given the opportunity to actually go in quicker, because he has like 60 people that are still waiting for his work.
Oh wow.
He's very, very well known, and I want to give props to him. I mean, to put me in front of all them people because of one of my friends that said, hey, you know what, this guy's a nice, pretty good guy. Can you help him out? Because he wants to put these bags on his 56. He shot me in. He goes, yeah, man, come on. Took about a week and a half to do it. And I mean, that's the original lay.
Looks beautiful.
Beautiful. I mean, it's wired completely. It's everything's linked. Beautiful.
All right, Gerry. Well, thank you so much for making the time for us. I truly appreciate it. Like I said, it's an honor, you know, being here and being the first one to shoot your car. Thank you so much.
No, thank you. I appreciate everything you've done for us, and you know, for you to be here to show people what we all about and how the lowrider culture is all about. That is beautiful. You know, back then we had to wait around for Lowrider magazine. Now, social media.
Social media. That's
you know,
right, yeah.
I'm gonna get a lot of hits.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Any shout outs?
Just want to shout out to all my brothers. My brother Victor, my brother Bill, Mondo, Eddie, and you know, my brother Richard, rest in peace, that showed us a lot about lowriding as well, and his love for this culture, and all my family. You know, we're here. Thank you.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. And remember, if you are watching this, you are the Lowrider Culture. Thank you.
Thank you.